Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about user input. So let's see what is it. So Python allow for user input. That means we are able to ask the user for input. Okay, input is very much required in case of the Python. So it will help. The method is a bit different in Python 3.6 and Python 2.7. So Python 3.6 uses the input of method and the Python 2.7 uses raw underscore input of method. So these are some different kind of phenomena used in this case, because what happened in case of the Python 3.6, we have to write the username like this: input of enter usernames. This is one of the updated part you have to use. So this is the format you can write inside the 3.6. Then let me show you how to write that. Now I have to clear, first I have to clear all the details. Then we'll start. User equal to input of, let me enter username. Okay, so let me close it. Yeah. Enter your username. Now screen, you can see that is how you can write in the case of 3.7. This is one of the easiest way you can perform inside the 3.7. Okay, so there are two kinds of format. This is one of the easiest ways. So I have written the username, that is Sam. Okay, so this is now working. You can create the input like this, and if you're creating, then you will be able to see that I am writing print of user name is plus username. Okay, so now let me close it, and then you will username is Sam, because I have given the details. What is the name of the username? That is Sam. So it will automatically provide you the username that you have already entered in your data. This is how you can create inside the Python 3.7. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.